You see here, this child live in this room that is covered with iron sheet. He hope to live in a comfortable house. He want to live after the Israeli forces and army destroyed his building. His father had to build this house. He used old he used old of sheet, iron sheet, and he also used live with his 5 children in this house. As you see, I'm so tired. Help me. As you see here, this house isn't suitable for human living. Human living. Moreover, it isn't suitable for the animals. This house can't prevent the cold of winter and the heat of the sun. He has to live to sleep here. This child has to sleep here with his brothers and sisters, and their father is jobless and he cannot offer the money to repair this house. So we ask you to help us to support them, to provide them with a house that's suitable for human being. After leaving the children room, now we are in the kitchen. As you see, this is the kitchen. There is no a cooker. There is no a fridge. There is no anything available for making food. As you see, there is some problems in electric contact to this building, so it is in danger the children. So it is danger for children. These electrical links maybe harm these children. So this house is not suitable for these children, and it may harm them. If some child play with these electronic links, he may harm, even he will die. As you see here, this is the kitchen and the bathroom. Because the house is very limited and small, the man here built the kitchen near the bathroom. So this place is not healthy for the children. As you see, there is no taps. There is no tap, just a pipe. This pipe for providing the house with water supply. And there is no switch links, and the gas, as you see here, the cooker and the gas container is empty. As you see here also, there aren't windows, and the water of rain sometimes entered from these holes. Finally, we ask you to support him to build a house that is suitable for him and his children. As you see, this roof is made of iron sheet and the rest of it is made of concrete. So he needs your help to rebuild a roof from concrete, not from iron sheet. This is Shadi, who is volunteer to help this family. Please support us to build a house for this child and to give him opportunity to live as a human being. Imagine them as your children. Imagine them as your children. We ask you to help these children to have a suitable house for them. This is the bathroom, and this is the tap is used for the bathroom. The condition here in this house is miserable. So we ask you to help us. We ask you to support this family in order to build a house that is suitable for these children. قولوا help us. يلا قول help us. We need house. We need house. We need house. Thank you.